Hey guys, so I'm back to do another video today. We have an unboxing from Costa Farms or Costa Farms. I actually ordered a plant off of Walmart's website, and Costa Farms is the company who ships the plants. It's supposed to be a philodendron Salome in here, so we're going to open it up and see how it's doing. I previously had a Salome, however I killed it, so now we are here with another one, and hopefully I can keep this one alive. Alright guys, so this is her. I've made quite a mess down here on the floor, but it's good that I have wood floors. She is a lot fuller than my previous Salome, so that's cool. But she's a little limp, so she's definitely in need of being in front of some light. So I'm going to put her in a nice light spot. I'm also going to spray her down with probably some dead bug brew just to make sure there's no pests, because with my last Salome I did get spider mites. Although I was able to treat it for that, I had some other issues going on as to why it died. But this one, I don't see any pests as of yet, but definitely going to spray her down and probably do that for the next month so that we don't have any issues. But yeah, this is her. She's nice and heavy. She's in a big pot. See? But yeah, she's nice and full. She's pretty, and she has some new leaves coming in, so that's cool. Yeah. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.